Good afternoon, dear Nekos. Today you learn the products of farm animals. But first, remember the vocabulary. Next, watch the video. And finally, you work with your worksheets. Are you ready? Let's go! Start the class. Vocabulary. What is it? It's a guinea pig. What is it? It's meat. The guinea pig gives us meat. Sheep. Wool. What is it? It's a sheep. What is it? It's wool. The sheep give us wool. Eggs. Hen. What is it? It's a hen. What are they? They are eggs. The hen give us eggs.
Awesome! Welcome to today's lesson. So today we're talking about farm animals and the products we get from them. Products are things that people use every single day. Products are things like shoes, clothes, books and bags, all sorts of things that we use every day. Now today we're going to look at products that we get from farm animals. And we're going to look at products that we get from cows and products that we get from sheep. Right, let's start with products that we get from cows. Here we go. Cows give us milk. Who loves milk? Milk gives us dairy products. Dairy products are products made from cow's milk. Let us look at a few dairy products. First, we have margarine. What do we do with margarine? Margarine can do many different things. We can put it on our bread. We can also use it to bake. Next, we have yogurt. Yogurt is also a dairy product made from cow's milk. Some people add fruit to their yogurt, and yogurt is very healthy. What flavor do you like? Another product that is very yummy is ice cream. Yes, ice cream is also made from milk. People that make ice cream put some sugar in it to make the ice cream sweet. So that means you can't eat too much of it because ice cream is not very healthy. The next thing we get from dairy is cheese. Cheese, please. Cheese is made from cow's milk as well. We love to put cheese on our pizzas and sandwiches. What kind of cheese do you like? Now, cows give us more than dairy products. Cows also give us meat. Brine meat and mince comes from cows. Now next, we're going to look at products that we get from sheep. But before we do that, I have something for you. Look, this is a jersey. This jersey is made out of wool. Now, wool is the stuff that is all over a sheep's body. You see it white and fluffy everywhere on a sheep's body. Now, farmers will take that wool and they spin it and they make it into a nice warm jersey that you can wear in winter. Let's look at some other products that we get from sheep. Here we go. Sheep give us wool and meat. Look at this picture. They used wool to knit the hats, scarves and gloves. Do you think they're going to be warm? Yes, wool products keep us warm in winter. Do you know that the farmer uses sheep wool to make wool? Is sheep wool hard or is it soft? Yes, sheep wool is soft. The farmer shears the sheep once a year. Over here, we see a farm worker shearing a sheep. Don't worry, this doesn't hurt the sheep at all, and the wool will grow right back. Wow! Look at all that wool! They send the wool to a factory where the wool is washed. It is straightened and then weaved. Not only do we get wool from the sheep, we also get yummy meat. Up next, we have our very own Teacher Aliki, and she would like to say something to you. Here's Teacher Aliki.
Good evening, my angels. How are you all doing? Are you keeping safe? Teacher misses and loves you all so much. Can't wait to get back to school. You must listen to what Teacher Sarah tells you, and when we get back to school, Teacher Aliki is going to ask you what you learnt. Please remember to keep safe by putting your masks on and washing your hands regularly, and please don't touch your nose or your mouth, because that's where the virus goes in. Keep your masks on so that you don't touch your nose and your mouth. Teacher Aliki loves you. Miss you all. Bye-bye.
But guys, that is the end of our lesson today. Until next time, it is a big, giant goodbye from me. Bye-bye.
Nekos, it's time to remember what do you learn today. Look at the pictures. Number 1, what do you see? A wall. Number 2, what do you see? Eggs. Number 3, what do you see? Meat. Now, remember, who produces wool? A sheep. A sheep produces wool for us. Number 2, look, who produces eggs? The hen. The hen produces eggs for us. And finally, look, who produces meat? In this picture, a guinea pig. The guinea pig produces meat for us. The hen produces eggs for us. And the sheep produces wool for us. Now it's time to complete the worksheet with the picture of the annex. Are you ready now? Yes? Paste the pictures in the correct place. Finally, well done! Now it's time to say goodbye, but see you next class. Bye bye!